guys, so today I'm really excited because we are going to be swatching and looking at the new deck of Scarlet palette. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You guys already know I'm a huge deck of Scarlet fan, and I have been for so long. They are a great brand, and honestly their eyeshadows are probably one of my favorite formulas ever. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Josie. I put new videos out every single week on this channel, and I hope you will stay and hit that subscribe button and maybe watch a couple of my other videos, because my view time is very, very low for some reason. But you know what? I do this for fun, so that is okay. But it would help me a lot if you guys go check out my other videos. So let's get into this. This palette is what the Beauty carton looks like. And this is what it looks like. Look how pretty it is. So this is the Paradise Found Palette. And this is by Deck of Scarlet. This is special edition. And this is what it looks like when you open. Oh my, look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I also got this opulent lip luster in Daiquiri, which I actually kind of want to put on now. Over my lipstick that I have on already. It's very pretty. Without anything under it, this is what it looks like. Oh my, that is beautiful. Oh, so pretty. So in order, this is gonna be kind of a fast swatch video, guys. In order, we have Passion Fruit, which is like a super, super pretty orange sparkle color, kind of a little rusty. Then Dragon Fruit, which is this beautiful shimmer purple. Then we have Cove, which is this really, really pretty gold, I would say like bronzy shimmer color. And then Wave Break, which actually kind of has like a little green shimmer in it, which is actually kind of exciting. And then we have Hibiscus, which is your very rustic brick orange. And moving on, we have Starfruit, which is this yellow. It kind of has that darker yellow hue to it. And then we have Resort, which is like this pinky shimmer purple. And then we have Sand, which is a great transition shade. And this is like a medium brown warm color. And then we have Lagoon, which is this bright teal color. And then our last color is Night Dive, and this is a very dark purple with reflex in it. This is a beautiful palette, guys. That is it for this video. If you guys would like to get your hands on this Deck of Scarlet palette, I will link it in the description below. And I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button to become part of the Glam Fam. And I also did this makeup look. It is my natural summer wedding bridal makeup. I will link it up here if it is up. If it is not, it will be soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.